let's go to page 446, set 2, number 9. So number 9, it says for exercise 9 and 10, use this information. The scale in an architectural drawing is 1 inch equal to 8 feet. From the dimension of a room that measures 2 1/4 inch by 3 3 3/4 inch on the drawing. So basically, this is what happens. Okay, on the drawing of a house, obviously the house, when you do the drawing of a house, you're not going to draw the actual size, right? You have to kind of reduce it, right? So let's say if you draw a room, you draw so this is the size of a room. So on the paper, it's 2 1/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch. So on the paper, this is how big. So they want you to figure out what would be the real actual room. What would be the size of the real room, okay? So, and they give you the scale, right? So there are 2 parts. So over here is, it tells you is 1 inch is equal to 8 feet. So the scale is 1 inch to 8 feet. Okay, that's kind of the scale. So what you want to do is you're going to figure out the length and you're going to figure out the width. Okay, so there are 2 parts, actually 2 parts. So the way you're going to do it is just lining up. So you got 1 inch, okay, to 8 feet. And so over here you got 2 1/4 inch. I'm going to use okay. So this is the inch, and you're going to figure X number of feet. Okay. And again, remember what I did with the ratio, right? For the ratio, all you have to do is when you line up your labels, so inch with inch, feet with feet, right? You just go and make a fraction line, and that's your equation already. So when you line up all your label, and that's all. That's all you need to do. So now it becomes a proportional equation. So you cross multiply. So cross multiply, you're going to get 1x equal to, get your calculator, multiply out. So 2 1/4 times it by 8 equal 18. So 18 feet. Okay. So that's it. Actually, that's going, since we're doing the length, right? Let's go and use L instead of X. Let's use L. Let's go and use the L. That way you don't have to worry about getting mixed up. Now you do the same thing with the width. Okay, so width, again, the ratio is 1 inch to 8 feet. And so the width of it, so this is your length width. So over here you try to figure out the width, which is 3 3/4 inch. So you need to figure out how many feet, W, right? That's what you're looking for. So you can line up all your label, and whatever you see is whatever you get. You just make it into an equation, and then all you have to do is cross multiply. So W equal to, and this one, again, use your calculator. So you got 3 3/4 times it by 8 equal 30 feet. And that's all you need to do. Okay, so let's go and do number 7 and 8. Okay, so stop.